Hello guys, so today I'm going to show to you how you can open up your own shop on creativemarket.com. So first of all, you need to create your own account on the creativemarket.com. You can just use your Gmail or your Facebook or whatever. And once you have created the account, you will click on open a shop here, and this will lead you to this site, and here you will go to open a shop. This will give us the shop application. Now here they will ask some details, so your first name, your last name, the category, so let's just say you sell templates. Then you need to share a URL where they can view your work, so you need to have either a portfolio or some personal website or whatever. So let's just add that. You confirm that you have permission to submit this work. Did you already sell digital assets online? You say yes or no. I'll just say no. Here, what option best describes your motivation for selling products on Creative Market? How would you describe your experience level as an online seller, and which best describes your plans for making the product? So let's just answer add some answers. Read and agreed to the shop's terms of service, and you go submit application. And here you need to verify your identity on your email. And once you have done this, you will have finished the process of creating your shop, and you will be waiting to be approved. Now once you are approved, you will be able to create your products, to list your products, and everything else. You can bypass the application part, so you can get approved instantly if you sign in using your Dribble Pro account. This account is paid for, and this way you will be approved instantly. So thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.